Part 3 Shortcakes of A Little Cookbook for a Little Girl. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. A Little Cookbook for a Little Girl by Caroline French Benton. Part 3 Shortcakes. Strawberry Shortcake. Margaret's mother called this the 1,000-mile shortcake because she sent so far for the recipe to the place where she had once eaten it, when she thought it the best that she had ever tasted. 1 pint flour, ½ cup butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoonful baking powder, ½ cup milk, 1 saltspoonful of salt. Mix the baking powder and salt with the flour and sift all together. The butter should stand on the kitchen table till it is warm and ready to melt, when it may be mixed in with a spoon, and then the egg, well beaten, and the milk. Divide the dough into halves, put one in a round biscuit tin, butter it, and lay the other half on top evenly. Bake a light brown. When you take it out of the oven, let it cool and lift the layer apart. Mash the berries, keeping out some of the biggest ones for the top of the cake, and put on the bottom layer. Put a small ½ cup of powdered sugar on them, and put the top layer on. Dust this over with sugar till it is white, and set the large berries about on it, or cover the top with whipped cream and put the berries on this. Cake Shortcake. 1 small cup sugar, ½ cup butter, 1 cup cold water, 1 egg, 2 cups flour, 3 teaspoonfuls baking powder. Rub the butter and sugar to a cream. Sift the flour and baking powder together. Beat the egg stiff without separating. Put the egg with the sugar and butter. Add the water and flour in turn, a little at a time, stirring steadily. Bake in 2-layer tins. Put crushed berries between and whole berries on top. Tiny field strawberries make the most delicious shortcake of all. Peach Shortcake. Make either of the rules above and put mashed and sweetened peaches between the layers. Slice evenly about 4 more and arrange these on top, making a ring of them overlapping all around the edge and laying them inside in the same way. Sugar well and serve with whipped cream or a pitcher of plain cream. End of Part 3 Shortcakes.